Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on how to block a spam caller. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit richclose.com. So, annoying phone calls from spammers. Let's open up our phone app, and you can see missed calls coming in red. I personally don't answer a number if I don't recognize the number or the person calling. So here I have a missed call. To block that number going forward, I go into information, and this number ends in 4380, and you scroll down and you can see the red block this caller. Simply click that, and I'm going to click block contact. So again, you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on the block list. So I'm going to block this contact. All right, and so this person now is blocked. You can see it now went to blue. You could click again to unblock this contact. It's as easy as that to block a caller. Now we have a problem. Maybe we accidentally blocked a caller. They're no longer in our recent list. Let's pretend this number is not here. I'm going to go out to my home screen. To unblock a caller, you go to the settings menu, scroll down to your phone app or search for the phone app. I'll scroll down in this case. Select phone. And you can see I have blocked contacts down here in your phone settings. We'll select that. And these are all the callers that I've blocked in my phone. Notice the one we most recently blocked was 4380. I'm fortunate I don't get a lot of spam calls. You can edit this list and up in the top right hand corner, select edit. And to remove that block call from your block caller list, simply select the minus sign. And you'll notice you get the unblock words, unblock. And now that number is unblocked from your phone, and calls will come in as normal. So if you accidentally block one of your contacts, you can actually go into the contact itself or into the unblock settings area of the phone and unblock that number. Thank you for watching my videos. Please help me by liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.